Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz, and are you looking to work from home on computer? If so, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can work from the comfort of your home in your spare time, and the best part, you don't need any experience for this method. So stay tuned, coming right up. Okay, so let's get to it. And before I continue, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel or this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I share stuff that has to do with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to create an online business, and ultimately how to create success on the internet. I'm super passionate about sharing things like that because not too long ago, before I was able to work from home in my spare time, I was truly, I was pretty much tired of being tired, meaning that I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I was tired of working for other people and making other people rich. And ultimately, I was pretty much tired of not being able to, spend quality time with my loved ones, especially my wife, and truly do the things that we both enjoy doing, right? So, because of this, I went online and I found the solution I'm going to share, with you today. And let's go ahead and get through the training. So, as I said in this video, I'm going to pretty much share with you how you can work from the comfort of your home, in your spare time, using, your computer or using a smartphone. Pretty much, when I started, I had no idea how to really, what was I gonna do, how to, work from home. I know that people were doing it, and I just went online and did some the right research. Luckily for me, or miraculous for me, I found the right people that had the right information and that had the right environment where I can learn and implement and pretty much put this into action. And now I'm here teaching you so you can be able to work from home, using your computer or using your smartphone, and also doing it in a way that you can do it in your spare time, right? So you don't have to really have a set schedule. You can create your own schedule. You can do it while being your own boss, so you don't have to respond to anybody else, and really embrace freedom, so you're able to do what you love doing. Enjoy more of what you like doing. So that's why I love working from the comfort of my home, because I'm able to be with my wife. And not only that, I'm not really tied to to this method, because the way that it's set up is set up in a way that you can do it on autopilot, meaning that you can have a system in place, and the system truly does all the telling, and doing on your behalf. It takes it takes care of 90% of the task. So what you're gonna need for this method, of course, is pretty much a computer, obviously, right? You're gonna need a computer. The second thing you're gonna need is an internet connection. And I'm typing this down so you can take notes. An internet connection, right? And then the second thing or the third thing you're gonna need is pretty much an online business, right? And that's the method I wanted to share with you today. An online business. Why an online business? Well, an online business allows you to pretty much set your own hours, right? As I said, you can be your own boss, and you're responsible for setting your own schedule, right? You're responsible for your own time. So if you have an online business, you pretty much have freedom, and this is why a lot of people start online businesses. But the only problem is that with an online business, you're going to need a few components, which let me share with you right now what they are. And I'm going to share with you, because this components, it could take it can take a time to set up yourself, especially if you're starting out. I'm going to share with you at the end of this video a solution where you can have all of this done for you, starting today, and you can start from scratch, even if you have no experience whatsoever, or if you're just pretty much brand new. Okay, so let me go ahead and share with you what these components are. Okay, so the first component you're gonna need for for this online business, right, is gonna be number one. You're gonna need a quality product or offer to sell that solves a problem. That is the number one component, and the reason why this is because in an online business, what you're doing, you're pretty much going online, you're finding people that are in need of something, and you're pretty much putting your product or service in front of these people, and which is the solution that they're looking for. right? So you need a quality product that's going to solve a problem. So you're going to pick an industry first of all. This could be a weight loss, this could be a home business, this could be uh, you know, this could be fitness, right? Health and fitness. This could be different. There's different, industries out there, also known as niches or niches. A lot of people have different way of saying it, but I'm just gonna say niche. So you're gonna find a niche of people that are having problems, and that you can actually provide them with a solution. The solution will be the product or service that you're offering. So you need something to offer to this industry to really solve the problems, right? And that's how you become profitable online. This is how you succeed online. The second component you're going to need is pretty much an efficient and an effective system that does the telling and selling on your behalf. This right here is key to gaining your time freedom, because there's going to be certain tasks you're going to be doing in your business that if you do everything yourself, um, you know, you might become profitable, right? But you're gonna be burnt out quick. So you might as well just find a job and work for somebody else, right? Because you're gonna be a slave to your online business, and that's not why we start an online business. We start an online business because we want freedom. We want to enjoy more of the things that we do. The way that you do that is through having a system in place that pretty much does the telling and selling on your behalf 24/7, because it's the internet, it's online 24/7. People can access, and the system is in charge of bringing visitors in and pretty much presenting them the product or the solution that you have in a way that that it makes sense, in a simple way that makes sense, and also is in charge of doing the selling on your behalf. Because when you come to an online business the first time, you don't know exactly, you don't know how to sell, you don't know how to promote on the internet. I know a lot of people out there, they get links and they think it's spreading links all over the place. No, you're gonna do this in a way that you're actually bringing in the person that's really looking for what you're offering, right? That is the best way of building a profitable online business, is that you want to become the hunted, not the hunter. You don't want to be chasing people, you know, chasing families and friends, or some of the stuff that other people do, because that way you're gonna be repelling, right? People are gonna, you're gonna be repelling. People are just gonna try to avoid you at all costs. But when you have an efficient and effective system that brings people in that are already looking for what you're offering, is way easier that way, is way ethical, and it's more professional that way, because you're actually serving the people that are really needed, that are looking for help, right? So you helping people out. And this is the best way to do it, is by having a system. And I'm going to tell you more about that in a bit, but that's the second component you're going to need in an online business. The third component is what you're going to be doing from the comfort of your home. Once you have the product and once you have the system in place, then you're going to learn how to drive traffic. And this is the 10% of the task. Again, the system does the telling and selling, that's 90%. Now the 10% is pretty much you promoting and learning how to market on the internet and driving traffic of interested people, people that are already looking for what you're offering, and bring them into your system so the system can, really deliver them the products or the solution that you're offering, right? And that's pretty much all you need. The problem with this is that, and this for most people that are starting out, is that it takes a lot of time for you to do this, right? That is a problem, right? As it says here, it's not easy getting all these things taken care of and positioned in a proper order, right? But it has to be done if you want to use this method to work from the comfort of your home and be free, right? You're gonna, this has to be done, because making a full-time income online is all about conversions, right? If you want to earn online, you want to work from the comfort of your home and your computer, this is going to be all about conversion. And conversion means that it's about the ability your product or sales funnel has to take out, to take website visitors and turning them into buyers, right? So that you can earn commissions. So it says it right here, in case you haven't noticed, a ton of time can go into making a product or creating a sales funnel, right? So so this is what I mean right here, is that you're gonna need, let me go back very quick. You're gonna need these three components right here in order for you to make it happen. Now, as I said, I'm gonna give you the solution to this right here, because you can shorten the learning curve by so much time. And the best way that you can do this is through something known, which is how I started, affiliate marketing. That is your answer right there. Why affiliate marketing? Well, this is what's going on with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you're getting paid, for promoting other people's products. So affiliate marketing has all of these three components already done for you, right? There's a lot of programs, affiliate marketing programs out there that has a quality products that you can offer to people that already, that want to, they already want to buy them. They already have a system in place. They got marketing materials and tools that you can use to market your products 24/7, and they already have the training that you go through, and step-by-step training that you go through to drive traffic into the system, right? So why do you want to reinvent the wheel? You don't want to waste time and money creating your own products. That can take time. You have to do research. You gotta hire people to test your products, right? You have to hire techie people to build you, component number two, to build you systems, and then you have to probably hire, if you don't know how to sell, you probably have to hire salespeople, or you have to invest a lot of time in learning, how to sell and how to, write sales copy and all that jazz that goes on with, running an online business. Then the third part, you have to find the right training that's going to teach you how to really drive traffic and how to market your business online. Why do that when you can actually have all of this done for you, taken care of? With affiliate marketing, there are programs that already have the the quality products. They already have the systems, and a lot of them have the traffic. That all you have to do is order traffic as you were ordering pizza, and then take a link of a website link that they will give you. That all you got to do is just send traffic to this link, and and see visitors that are interested come in. A percentage of those visitors will buy because that's something that they really need and they're looking for, and then a percentage of those visitors will probably need more follow-up, right? They're probably not ready to buy yet, so they need more information on it. So the system right here, the component number two, is also in charge of following up with these people, right? And this is all you need to really have a profitable online business. And you can work from home doing this. You can do it from the comfort of your home on your computer. Some programs have it online. Okay, so this is my method, my best method. If you just want to start out, if you're just a beginner or newbie, this is the best way to start, is through an online business. Again, I recommend an online business because it gives you time freedom, because you can set your own schedule, right? It's in your spare time. And with affiliate marketing, you don't need any previous experience, because you're pretty much having a business while you're learning how to how to run it, while you're learning all this different skills, because the system is going to help you learn all the stuff, right? So if you want to know what is my number one recommendation to starting an online business from scratch, go ahead and click that link below this video. This is actually how I started, and this is what has allowed me to work from the comfort of my home. So if this is what you want, and you don't know where to begin, go ahead and click that link below. Watch the video all the way through, get access, watch the video all the way through, and simply get access to it, because it's going to help you really get started faster than you ever thought possible, and it's gonna give you more clarity. It's gonna give you more empowerment, and it's gonna put you in a position where you can set your own hours, work from the comfort of your home in your spare time. So if you want to do that, go ahead and click that link below. And other than that, thank you for watching this video. Hope this was really helpful. And if you like this video, please comment and hit like, because that helps the video as well. And thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.